for dinner?
Tonight on the Blackstone, we're going to make spaghetti. Should be a good meal to make. I don't think we've ever shown making this before. I'm going to griddle up some hamburger on this side. We're heating up the water right now to put noodles in, and then we'll make the spaghetti. But one of the things I had to do, I had to make 2 changes to even make this work. First thing was this right here. A bolt came out of the piece that holds the lid up, so I had to fabricate a piece of electrical wire to make that work. And I don't know, we showed you where we had to park here, so I couldn't reach I could reach the propane outlet, but the truck is down like this, so I couldn't cook on that. So we brought it back here, and I don't have any way of doing that. I didn't bring any green bottles. But then we bought this. This is the Ignic little growler, a 5-gallon growler, and we use it for the fire pit. But I thought, I didn't bring the adapter. But I was able to use the one that goes to the Airstream, goes to this. That works great. This had the female version of it, and I thought that should work. Sure enough, it did. So that's how we're able to cook tonight. Maybe more information than Lynn wants me to share, but I can always cut it out later.
So here's how uneven the truck is. It was a tight spot getting in here with the camper and the truck, and you have to be on the pavement, so we had to make sure that we were actually on the pavement with the truck.
Yeah, there might be a prettier scene to cook a meal somewhere in the United States, but I don't know. This is really cool. Right underneath the Rocky Mountains like this on the west side. Should be awesome. Okay, we have the noodles in here. They're going. They'll be finished in just a few minutes. Got the hamburger going and browning up, and then it's all just going to come together pretty quickly after that. But this scenery, what you get to see when you're out here, just look at all the mountains that are around us. It's just beautiful. I'm having to really concentrate not to ruin the meal. So, and Maggie's hoping I drop some. Look at her. She's down here in her position. She's wanting her daddy to drop some hamburger meat. Man, look at this.
Oh, looks good.
Looks like the ratio's good.
Getting chilly?
Yeah. I think this is ready. Wow.
We haven't eaten a lot today, so I'm starving.
I'm starving too, sweetheart. I'm going to go ahead and get a little bowl of this out.
Oh.
Let me get a bite here. Want to see it? Here's your bite. Campfire spaghetti.
Pretty simple. Rayos. We love us some
I
Rayos.
don't know how Italians dance, but it's probably not like this, but I'm telling you, that's some good stuff right there. And it's cold out. It's been spaghetti everywhere. It's cold out here, but man, it just feels good. We're going to sit down and eat. Maggie wants us to spill some things, so let's see. Oh no, I got to get one more bite here. And that meat in there.
Good.
The onions and it's perfect. It's
All right.
perfect. I'm not a really good spinner.
Well, I broke them.
Oh, no wonder I couldn't.
Better with cheese or not?
Yeah, with cheese even makes it even better. It is good, Maggie. It is good. It's really good.
these.
Gonna do a dance? Happy dance worthy? Just not for you, right? For me. So we're sitting out, we had the fire going on the ignic. We already had the little propane tank out anyway. Maggie's laying here, but